Hi everyone, on this video I'm gonna show you how to add an image to your clip on Davinci Resolve. So first of all, you need to have a an image like JPEG or PNG. Uh, Import it to your timeline. So I already have mine here. This is the image that I want to add to this clip. All I need to do is you can actually I can actually drag it to where I want to place it. For example, I want to place it here. There you go. You see that I already placed the image in my clip, but the image is blocking the face of the subject. So what I want to do is to um, place the image to the right spot. Okay, so here's what I need to do. All you need to do is go to Inspector, select the image first, go to Inspector, and then here you'll see this option, Position option, and then all you need to do is click on these numbers, the 00, the x-axis, or in the y-axis. For the x-axis, if you drag it to the left, click it and drag it to the left, you'll see that your image is going to the left side of the clip. And if you're going to drag it to the right, of course, your image will go to the right. And for the y-axis, if you drag it down, see that the image is also dragging down. And if you drag it up, you'll see that the image is dragging up as well. So if you wanna zoom out the image, all you need to do is go to zoom, and here you can zoom in and zoom out the image, and then place it to the right position. There you go. So that's how you add an image in DaVinci Resolve. And that's all for this video. Thank you for watching.